In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a voice message on iPhone. So what you want to do, if for example you want to type out things or even use the dictator, for example like so, hello, hello, test, test, and you just want to send a voice message, here's what you need to do. So you need to click to open up a message, and then you need to click on this audio, click on it, and then tap and hold to record. And as you can see, now you see these wave things. It means that you're recording and that it's picking up your voice. Once you are done, just release it and the message will be shown here to send it. As you can see, here is the message I just sent. And you can keep doing this over and over again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.